Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, click on Notifications over here, and then tap on one of your apps after scrolling down. In my case, Call of Duty. Then you need to select this green switcher next to Allow Notifications. And as you can see, after that, all notifications from this app are now blocked. In order to enable them, you need to click on the same No Gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!